The era of the budget Mac is officially over. For years, the Mac Mini was the hidden gem of Apple's lineup, the cheap way to get into the ecosystem. But in 2026, Apple has decided to turn this tiny silver box into a weapon. We are standing at the launch of the Mac Mini M5, and this isn't just a spec bump. This is a complete reimagining of what a desktop computer should be. While the world is distracted by flashy iPhones and folding screens, Apple has quietly built a machine that packs more raw power per square inch than anything in human history. We're talking about the leap to 2-nanometer architecture, a neural engine that makes last year's AI look like a calculator, and a thermal design that defies the laws of physics. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are a creator, a coder, or just someone who wants a computer that will stay relevant for the next 10 years, you need to listen very carefully. Because the Mac Mini M5 just killed the PC tower, and most people haven't even realized it yet. Let's start with the silence. The most terrifying thing about the M5 Mac Mini isn't the speed, it's the fact that you can't hear it coming. Under the hood, we have the M5 and M5 Pro chips, built on a refined 3rd-generation 3-nanometer process that Apple is calling atomic silicon. This isn't just marketing fluff. By shrinking the transistors even further, Apple has managed to increase GPU performance by a staggering 45% over the M4. But here is the kicker: the power draw hasn't gone up. In fact, for most daily tasks, the M5 chip consumes less energy than a high-end light bulb. We are looking at a 10-core CPU as the baseline. That means the cheapest Mac you can buy is now faster than the top-of-the-line iMac from just 2 years ago. But raw speed is only half the story. The real reason the M5 Mac Mini is a game-changer is Apple Intelligence 2.0. We've entered the age of local sovereignty. While every other tech giant is forcing you to upload your data to the cloud to use AI, the M5 chip does it all on your desk. The new 16-core neural engine has been completely redesigned with neural accelerators inside every single GPU core. This allows the Mac Mini to run massive large language models locally. Imagine editing a video in Final Cut Pro and having the AI automatically mask out subjects, generate background music, and color grade your footage in real time, without an internet connection. This isn't just a convenience, it is a privacy revolution. Your work stays on your machine, and it happens instantly. Now, let's talk about the hardware, the physical slab of aluminum on your desk. For 2026, Apple has finally addressed the one thing everyone has been complaining about: ports. The M5 Pro version of the Mac Mini now features Thunderbolt 5. This is a massive leap. We are talking about 120 gigabits per second of bandwidth. To put that in perspective, you can now run 3 6K Pro Display XDRs off this tiny box without a single hiccup. It turns the Mac Mini from a compact desktop into a studio hub. And for the first time, the base model M5 now starts with 16 gigabytes of unified memory as the absolute minimum. No more 8 gigabytes bottlenecks. Apple has finally acknowledged that in 2026, 16 gigabytes is the entry fee for a professional experience. But let's look at thermal architecture. How do you put an M5 Pro chip, a chip that can outperform a dedicated gaming PC, into a box the size of a sandwich without it melting? Apple's engineers have introduced a new phase change cooling